Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly determine the profitability of products that you may be interested in selling on Amazon. So stay with me, we'll be back in a second.
My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.
All right, welcome back, guys. It's good to have you here. So we're looking at baby gates, right? So let's say, for example, I was interested in baby gates kind of like this, right? So let me just zoom in here. So I'm looking at some of these gates. Let's say, for example, this one right here, okay? And let's say I was interested in this particular product. It's actually doing not too bad. This particular product, it's doing some good volumes, doing 300,000 in terms of revenue, 300K US a month, right? So not too bad. Let's say I was interested in this particular product. So jumping on Alibaba, I'm doing a bit of a search. Let's just type in baby gate. All right, and let's just see what comes up. So yeah, there's quite a few there. You can get it for 10 bucks, roughly $2, $22 here, $12 here, $2 here, right? So they're actually reasonably cheap, right? So let's say, for example, let me just go through here. Look at some of these figures here. Some of these people have been in years for 14 years, which is great. Okay, these people have been, yeah. So let's say, for example, we're paying $2 or so for this particular product, and I wanted to figure out very fast how, if I'm going to make money selling this particular product, because at the end of the day, that's really what it comes down to. What is your ROI for your products, right? So I'm just going to show you a very quick way, and obviously, I'm going to zoom in here so you can sort of see this, right? A very quick way on how to do the research, and obviously you have to spend a bit more time getting the numbers, right? But this is a very quick way of determining profitability. You sort of see this little dollar figure right here, it says profit calculator. We're going to give that a click, all right? And you can sort of see here, profit calculator, it's come up. Now, it's asking me the product cost, it's going to ask me the shipping cost, the cost per click, and a few other things. So let's just work through this. Let's say, for example, it cost me, through negotiation, I got it for $2, right? Let's say the shipping cost per unit is $1, right? Cost per click, we'll leave it normal, right? Taxes, let's say 10%. Product price, 20. Let's say, for example, we were selling at exactly the same price as this competitor, which is this one right here, and the exact same volume, right? It'll give you a fee, an FBA fee, okay, right here, which is what you have to pay for the storage. The profit per product is $8 each. Net margin is $28, and the estimated monthly profit is $88,000. So it works out. Now you can sort of play around these figures. Let's say, for example, I paid an extra $4, like double the price, right? You can sort of see your profit figures change. You can sort of see, let's say the shipping went up a little bit, right? And this is a good way of figuring out what your break-even point is, all right? So to work that out, right, to get a little bit more complex, right, let's say, for example, let's put that up to 8, okay? Let's put it up to 12. Okay, there we go. We can't pay $12 for it. Let's put it at 10. Okay, let's put it at 9. Okay, 9. So $9, we're making a $6,800 profit. 10, we're making a loss, right? So kind of like, considering if these are all true, right, we can't pay any more than $9 for this particular product. If we paid more than $9, we would be in a deficit. We would actually not be making money. All right, but as it stands, we're actually making a bit of a profit here. So that's a very quick, easy way. And obviously you have to dig a little bit deeper on the figures, right? But that's a very easy way of figuring out what your break-even point is, but also what the maximum amount you need to pay. You can't pay more for the product, all right? So anything less than $9, you're making a profit, essentially, right? So that's why it enables you to quickly be able to leverage and negotiate with the supplier and say, we're not paying that, right? We're paying this, all right? So it kind of it enables you to figure out your profit margins quite quickly. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and for more videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you're looking for help with your Amazon business, maybe finding products yourself, maybe you're wanting guidance on the process to getting up and running on Amazon, give us a call in the office. The number is on the screen. I would love to have a chat with you. I would love to help you. And we run live workshops and events around the country. We also have an online course as well. I do work with you for 12 months, enabling you to find your product. I can even help you find your product, right? Finding a supplier as well as listing on Amazon. I show you how to go about listing your product on Amazon. I even list your product for you on Amazon as well if you want me to do that for you.